Ever watched a video and wondered, is this real or fake? You're not alone. In a world where AI can turn a photo into a lifelike deepfake in seconds, scientists are racing to outsmart the tricksters. Today, we're diving into a mind-blowing breakthrough, a way to hide secrets in light that could make fake videos impossible to hide. Imagine this: every video you watch has an invisible fingerprint woven into its lighting. It's not a logo or a watermark you can see. It's a tiny, randomized pattern of light that's nearly impossible to copy without messing up the whole scene. This is Noise-Coded Illumination, or NCI, and it's like giving videos a hidden superpower. Here's how it works. Traditional methods of spotting fake videos often rely on visible markers or complicated algorithms that are hard to use. NCI takes a different approach. It uses the natural noise in light, those tiny, random fluctuations you might see as grain in a photo, to create a unique code. The real video has this code embedded in its lighting, but any tampering, it breaks the pattern. It's like a secret handshake only real videos know. Think of it like a magic trick. If someone tries to edit a video, say, swap a person's face or alter a scene, the invisible code in the light gets scrambled. It's like trying to rearrange a puzzle with missing pieces. The image still looks normal, but the hidden code is gone. Investigators can then scan for that missing code, and boom, fake detected. Here's the magic. If someone edits the video, say, swapping a slide, adding a fake camera, or cutting out parts of a speech, their changes disrupt the code. The hidden fingerprint gets messed up, and that's how we know something's wrong. Imagine a lecture hall with a single light source. That light isn't just shining, it's subtly flickering with a pattern so faint you'd never notice it. This noise-like modulation is the key. It's like a secret watermark, but instead of being in the video itself, it's woven into the scene's illumination. When a video is recorded under this coded light, the pattern becomes part of the scene's signature. In an unaltered clip, a specific pixel strip remains steady, reflecting the subtle light pattern. But if someone tampers with the scene, that line starts to glitch. Why does this matter? Because traditional methods often fail when there's no original to compare to. NCI doesn't need that. It works even if the only video available has been altered. And here's the kicker. Even if a hacker knows about NCI, recreating the exact light pattern is a huge challenge. It's like trying to copy a secret recipe when you don't have the ingredients. This isn't just about catching lies, it's about protecting truth. From political debates to courtroom evidence, NCI offers a way to verify authenticity without relying on fragile digital traces. But here's the best part: it's invisible and cheap. You don't need special cameras or software. Just a regular phone or camera. Researchers tested it in real-world scenarios: city streets, quiet rooms, even videos with compression or camera shake, and it worked surprisingly well. It's not perfect, though. Scientists are still figuring out how to share these codes securely and present the evidence in court. Still, the implications are huge. Imagine a future where every video camera automatically adds these invisible codes. A world where deepfakes are as easy to catch as a crooked smile. It's not just about technology, it's about trust. In an age where seeing is believing is getting harder, NCI offers a way to say, this is real. So next time you watch a video, remember, the truth might be hiding in the light. And thanks to innovations like NCI, it's fighting back.